rev up your engine. Hi everyone, my name is Jose. I want to thank Scotty Kilmer for allowing me to be on his YouTube channel, and behind me right here is what I like to call my 2013 GT500, or the GT500.
So I like to call her the GT500 only because the backstory of this car is that I bought this car off of a soldier who really didn't know much about it here in Germany. But I contacted the previous owner, and the previous owner told me that originally it was a base GT500. It wasn't the performance package. He had the 5.8 Trinity in it, he blew the Trinity, and he upgraded, at least I like to say upgraded, because of the high flow heads on the 5.0 Coyote. In the interior, a lot of little modifications occurred, and I spoke to the original owner, and he said he was trying to build up money to purchase the 5.0 Coyote engine. So there's a lot of little things in here that are missing from an actual GT500, sort of like the door cards that had the premium speakers, the gauge cluster, which had to get swapped out because the actual GT500 gauge cluster would not work with the ECU of a GT5.0 Coyote engine. Some things to note about this engine is that it has a lot of stuff to it. So it's got a 2.3 liter VMP supercharger. It's a TVS. It also has ID 725 injectors, this JLT 123 millimeter cold air intake. It has a heat exchanger. It also has some JLT catch cans. On top of that, it has a lot of suspension work done that also includes a Cortex Watt Sling, torque arm, blower control arms. It has Ford Racing springs, and a lot of other little things here and there.
I want to thank you, Scotty Kilmer, for allowing me to be on your YouTube channel. I hope that others enjoy our build and what we're doing out here in Germany, and follow our YouTube channel, which is Autobahn V8s, and we'll have a lot of content on there, and we're going to post a link below. So